So we at All Star Music, and we're gonna be checking out of this hotel before we go to the water park. And later today we're gonna be checking into All Star Movie. The reason I did it this way is because right now Disney has a perk. On your arrival day you can go to their water park for free. So we wanted to take advantage of that, because listen honey, if it's free, it's for me. If I could find a way to get the deals, honey, we're gonna get the deals. So versus just staying 2 nights in this one room, we're gonna be checking into the other hotel, because yesterday we didn't even end up getting here till like 6 something in the evening, 7. So the water park would have been closed. That's the thing. It's only on your check-in day. So being that we're checking into the other hotel today, when we check out of here at 10-11, we could go straight to the water park, enjoy the water park, and hopefully when we get back our room is ready. So if you have that flexibility, and if you don't mind, you know, maybe having to switch hotels or hotel rooms or whatever, then I say take advantage, unless you you know, coming straight in to MCO at an earlier time. But yeah, just want to throw that out there. And then the tickets to get into the water park, it should be Blizzard Beach that we going to, they're like $74 a person, so it's 4 of us. So really, like, it really paid for itself. So it's a good perk to take advantage of. So can't wait to go. Good morning, stars, huh? Again. So listen, y'all, so we checked out of our room, and at All Star, where was that, Music? I guess they must could check you in for any of the All Star hotels. So she got me checked in so that we can make sure we use our water park day, and the room is ready now. Hey y'all, future me, while editing, jumping in real quick to just add something to that. So she did let me know, in order to partake in that perk of being able to go to the water park day on your check-in day, you have to be checked into your hotel first. So I've seen some info that said, like, basically you can go straight from the plane to the water park. No, she said that you have to be checked in to your hotel first. So they do have some options though, I think, on the My Disney Experience app, where you can check in through the app. So however you need to check in, make sure you check in first. Okay y'all, it was easy peasy. Oh, we gotta get towels. Come on, baby. This what we about to get on, y'all. We take you all the way up there. I know, we up here. Look, sissy. It's like a mountain. Okay, y'all. Right. Blizzard Beach. We on the ski lift. So when you get to the top, there are, it looks like 1, 2, one over there, 2, and then there's another one that's like a family slide that me and Rain gonna get on, and our Kira gonna get on one of the bigger ones. She gonna take advantage of the ride up, because look, if you don't, look at, you have to walk. Let me see if I can zoom in. That's where the walking start, up the stairs. You see them people? You gotta walk all the way up to the top. I don't know about you, but I'd rather wait in line and ride this up and get our way to the top. We only going up here one time because we don't got that much time here today. So we're gonna take advantage, and then we could come over here and get on these, Mooney. Okay. I wonder if Rain big enough to get on that. What, this? Yeah, this one right here, where these people at. If not, I'm gonna take her to get on some slides. And
yo, look at that zip line.
Oh, you want to try that? You can't do the zip line, mama. Oh, look, I see a little kid right there. It look like you can get on.
Who? Where?
Or right here.
That little baby?
Is he going by himself?
Look at him.
But yeah, y'all.
Rain can definitely get on there.
Look, so that one start up there. And see Moody come out right there.
Oh, because I was so scared. We going up. We going up. We going up.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. There's Ari up there getting on that one. And we're in this line for the family ride. Yeah, because I don't think you can get on the other one. Let's see who's gonna get on first. I think it's gonna be her. So this is what it looks like when you get to the top. It's a whole bunch of other lines back there. Oh, and here's the top of those stairs right there. I definitely suggest having your water shoes because the ground, I'm sure, is very hot. And plus, you don't want people, you know, germs on your feet. Woo! Ah! Woo! Ah! It's going kind of fast though. Look, mama. Huh? Go, sissy. How was it? You was? You floating, mama? Huh? You floating? Ari, turn around, look. Too late.
There's one coming.
Is this? Let me see. That's okay.
I got one. We all got one.
Yo! The case? I think I got it off of Amazon. But they sell them at Walmart. Oh my gosh. Rain, she don't like the water on her head. She what? She going right there. You okay, mama? You're not gonna really get wet right here. Put your head down, baby. Put your head down. Head down, head down. How was that, mama? My face probably mad close.
Why is Mary going so fast?
I don't know. I think so. I think I like this water park better than Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
Rain, you floating, mama? I love this floaty. Like, I need one like this. It's like a chair. My little fish over here. And the other little fish over here.